Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I come back with another video. In this video, you will get 20 plus paid Udemy courses for free with certificate. Before getting started, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe to my channel for upcoming video. Also join my social media group for daily course update. In previous video, I have given you 25 plus paid Udemy courses for free with certification. If you haven't watched that video, then I will recommend you to watch it. The link will be given in the description. So let's get started. The first course is Machine Learning from Basic to Advanced. In this course, you will learn master machine learning on Python, make accurate prediction, make robust machine learning models, use machine learning for personal purpose, have a great influence on many machine learning models, know which machine learning model to choose of each type of problem, use scikit-learn for machine learning tasks, make prediction using linear regression, polynomial regression, and multiple regression, classify data using k-mean clustering, support vector machine, KNN, decision tree, naive Bayes, etc. These courses in 3 are on demand video, 30 downloadable versions, full lifetime access, extra mobility, and solution completion. The next course is beginner course on Power BI with Azure DevOps. In this course, you will learn the basic how to fetch the data from Azure DevOps using Power BI Desktop tool. Power BI with Azure DevOps sample timeline views report using Gantt chart. These courses 2 are on demand video, 2 downloadable versions, full lifetime access, extra mobility, and solution completion. The next course is Python for beginner. In this course, you will learn Python programming and code. This course includes 6.5 on-demand video, 41 downloadable versions, 2 coding exercises, full lifetime access, extra mobility, and solution completion. The next course is Mastering SQL Server Basics to become database developer. In this course, you will learn Introduction to DBMS, Microsoft SQL Server Development and Administration, Instruction Guide to Microsoft SQL Server, how to create database, how to create and modify table, primary key, foreign key, composite key, how to drop a table, insert data into table, select data from a table, update, modify existing data of a table, delete data from a table, substring function, group by class, average function, inner join, left join, right join, full join, distinct function, database views, store procedure, how to execute the operation store, how to execute the store procedure, SQL jobs, how to use like operator, taking database backup, restoring the database backup. This course is 2 are on demand video, full lifetime access, extra mobility, and solution completion. The next course is create a member-only blog using PHP, MySQL, and Ajax. In this course, you will learn creating dynamic web page in PHP, creating MySQL database to store member data, creating PHP and Ajax validate member registration form, creating PHP Ajax validation member login authentication, working instruction variable login logout functionality, developing validated contact form for web to email transmission via XMPP, PHP mailer integration to facilitate email transmission, uploading the project from a local testbed to a production server. These courses 2 are on demand video, 1 downloadable version, full lifetime access, extra mobility, and solution completion. The next course is Winning with Social Media Influencer. In this course, you will learn 10-step influence strategy used by some of the most well-known brands, finding and choosing the best influencer, the difference between content writer and influencer, choosing the best content type of meet your goal, measuring success and ROI according to industry benchmark, what you must include in context and scope of work, setting your influence up for no success, social media engagement protocol, guidelines, reviewing content, watch out to look for, reporting on the program, what is included, what to leave out, everything you need to lead successful influencer campaign to matter you have industry category or customer. These courses 2 are on demand video, 17 downloadable versions, full lifetime access, extra mobility, and solution completion. The next course is Cell Analytics Beginner Complete course. In this course, you will learn cell analytics, productivity analytics, database creation, formatting, business analytics, zone state productivity, consolidation, tensor and age group and CAGR, growth ratio and scenario, sales impact profile, department profile, trend prediction, generation analysis, advanced filter and hyperlink. This course is 6.5 on-demand video, one article, one downloadable resources, full lifetime access, excellent mobile and TV, and certificate completion. The next course is Sales Analytics Advanced Complete course. In this course, you will learn sales analytics, productive analytics, data formula, formatting, micro, signal analytics, budget, pivot, table and chart, consolidation and trends analytics, Monte Carlo simulation, mathematics, active vis and inactive analysis, historical and regression analytics, rank and percentile and descriptive statistics, index and header. This course is 7 on-demand video, 2 articles, 2 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, Excel, mobile and TV, and solution completion. The next course is NLP Basic Course for Beginner. In this course, you will learn overview of NLP, understanding and use of technique for NLP, learn to work with text files with Python, use NLTK for sentiment analysis, write your own sentiment analysis code in Python, introduction to some key techniques from NLP, write your own swim detection code in Python. This course is 1 hour on-demand video, 5 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, Excel, mobile and TV, and solution completion. The next course is Introduction to Domain Name and Web Hosting Quick Guide. In this course, you will learn how domain name work, how to register a domain name, the role of domain register, type of domain, the role of ICANN, how to conduct whois search, how to register a domain using GoDaddy, how to administer a domain name using GoDaddy, set up domain name, privacy, auto renewal, domain forwarding, domain name server administration, types of web hosting, case analytics, share, virtual private net, dedicate, cloud hosting, assessing scalable and resource requirement. This course is 1 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, Excel, mobile and TV, solution completion. The next course is Anti-Money Laundering Concept, AML, KYC, and Compliance. In this course, you will learn what is money laundering, process and impact, and money laundering, terrorist financing, money laundering versus terrorist financing, anti-money laundering policy, AML, KYC procedure, AML economic section, what are political experts person. This course is 1 hour on-demand video, 1 article, full lifetime access, Excel, mobile and TV, and solution completion. The next course is Microsoft Excel Learn MS Excel for Data Analysis. In this course, you will learn to write down basic Excel formula, understand how to think outside of the box, creating powerful Excel project, how to make basic data analytics with Excel, how to work with massive amount of data, how to perform data analytics by creating multiple jobs, the basic Microsoft Excel, and to be able to use amazing application for different tabs. This course is 5 on-demand video, 1 article, full lifetime access, Excel, mobile and TV, and certificate completion. The next course is PowerPoint Efficient and Productivity. In this course, you will learn efficient PowerPoint setup, most valuable PowerPoint shortcut, PowerPoint macros, PowerPoint add-ons, PowerPoint efficient functionality. This course is 6 hour on-demand video, 15 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, Excel, mobile and TV, and certificate completion. The next course is MS Excel, Excel 2021, the complete introduction to Excel. In this course, you will learn how to properly use Excel, how to be easy step with Excel, understand different theoretical concepts around Microsoft Excel, practice what you have learned in different projects, understand how to use Excel in real life situation, improve your Microsoft Excel skill. This course is 3 hour on-demand video, 1 article, full lifetime access, Excel, mobile and TV, and solution completion. The next course is History Corp Certified Terraform Associated Practice Exam 2021. This course is 3 practices, full lifetime access, Excel, mobile. The next course is Introduction to Forex. Learn to trade Forex by yourself. In this course, you will learn trading Forex on their own, creating their own Forex strategy, understanding how to make a good market analysis, be able to find right information to make good trading decisions, understanding how to start in the trading industry, learning different way to. This course is 4 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, Excel, mobile and certificate completion. The next course is Introduction to Administrative Management for Beginner. In this course, you will learn the role and responsibility of an effective administrator, be able to practice perfect business etiquette and phone skill, understand how to represent your boss and companies at all time, becoming comfortable with mailing, shipping, and organization travel, discover the best way to plan and organize execution meeting, know how to organize your time and keeping excellent record, acquire the skills to perfectly writing, business, communication, the interest to handle credit and company finance and petty cash. This course is 4.5 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, Excel, mobility, and certification completion. The next course is Entrepreneurship 60 Days Startup Launch Blueprint. In this course, you will learn entrepreneurship fundamental to transform a startup ideas in profitable business in 60 days, learn how to validate your startup ideas without wasting money and time, uncover the first reason most startups have failed and learn how to avoid same in your venture, learn how to pre-sell your product using EOI, learn how to code startup concept with real world startup example and case study, uncover the success secret of the favorite startup such as Uber, Tinder, Airbus, etc. Learn how to spot a great business opportunity in everyday life, learn how to soaring startup valuation and justify my investor build their product without knowing how to code. This course is for the on-demand video 20 available service full lifetime extra warranty and additional commission. The next course is from stranger to high paying customer secret formula. In this course, you will learn building a profitable marketing and sales system, how to change a complete stranger to a high paying customer, and super fan business strategy, marketing strategy, sales strategy. This course is 2.5 on demand video, 1 article, 48 downloadable service, full lifetime access, excel mobile and certification completion. The next one is financial statement analysis and accounting ratio 0 to pro. In this course, you will learn financial analysis, capital gain and dividend concept, financial statement, profitable ratio, liquidity ratio, efficiency ratio. This course is to our on-demand one downloadable service, full lifetime access, excel warranty and certification completion. The next course is IELTS guide for non-native speaker. How did I score? In this course, you will learn how to score about IELTS as a non-native speaker, follow my instruction and recommendation to get highest IELTS score. This course is to our on-demand to full lifetime access, excel warranty, assignment certification completion. All the course links are given in the description. If you have any doubt or query, then comment below. Share this video to friends and family members because they can also get the benefit of the course.